Hello friends, today we are going to discuss input-output waveform of inverting comparator. First, we will design the comparator circuit. For the comparator circuit, op-amp always uses in an open loop configuration. This is the op-amp. If this is positive terminal, then this will be the negative terminal. This is the inverting comparator. Inverting comparator means this positive terminal will be connected to the reference voltage, or we can say known voltage. This reference voltage may be analog voltage or digital voltage. And this is the inverting comparator means we have to apply the input voltage or unknown voltage will be to the negative terminal. Reference voltage, for example, this is 1 volt, this is plus VCC and this is minus VDE, and here we will get output voltage. Okay. This is the sine wave V input. This is the inverting comparator. Inverting comparator means we have to apply the input voltage or unknown voltage to the inverting terminal of the op-amp, and the non-inverting terminal will be connected to the reference voltage, or we can say known voltage. If we want to draw the input and output waveform, here input is a sine wave and 1 volt reference voltage. So this is the sine wave. And plus 1 volt is reference voltage, or you can also select minus 1 volt. This is the plus 1 volt, plus 1 volt V in 0 t. Now we have to draw the output waveform correspond this input voltage. Here if we see in this part, this reference voltage is higher than this input voltage. This is the reference voltage, and here reference voltage is higher than this input voltage, and this reference voltage is applied to the positive terminal. So the output will be plus V set. So output will be plus V set. After this point, if we see in this portion, this input signal is higher than this reference voltage, and this input signal is applied to the negative terminal, so output will be minus Vset. So next output will be minus Vset. After this point, in this area, this reference signal is higher than this input signal, and reference voltage is applied to the positive terminal, so output will be plus Vset. Means after this point the output will be plus Vset. Again you can see here, after this point this input signal is higher than this reference voltage, and input signal is applied to the negative terminal, so output will be again minus Vset. So output will be again minus Vset. After this point the reference signal is again greater than this input voltage, and reference signal is applied to the positive terminal. Likewise we will get plus Vset. Plus Vset. This is the plus Vset